Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. Today, I wanted to go back to a subject that I've previously talked about in videos, which is PC parts. Only I wanted to talk more about where to actually buy them. Now, I mainly recommend shopping online only because usually there are a lot more deals going on, and you're more likely to find what you're looking for at a reasonable price in comparison to shopping in person or buying from third-party sellers. Plus, if something comes in the mail damaged or completely ruined, you'll be able to have that proof of purchase or receipt in your email so it's easier to find and provide for a refund or replacement. I actually did some research beforehand as I do have my preferences on where to purchase things, but I also wanted to see if experts in the tech industry felt the same way. I happened to come across a website called Online Tech Tips, which is a blog that is meant to provide readers with tips, tutorials, news, and reviews on various computer and tech subjects. The owner himself, Asim Kishore, is actually accredited with 12 years of professional blogging experience related to tech, having written over 3,000 articles. Before this, he had over 10 years of experience in IT, having worked at a DNA testing facility. According to his LinkedIn, he is the founder and CEO of AK Internet Consulting, Inc., an umbrella company in the tech media field that combines 5 digital magazines, including Online Tech Tips, to educate the community on everything related to tech. So right off the bat, it's pretty obvious this guy has a lot of experience and knowledge on different aspects of tech, including PC parts. The article I found, titled The Best Websites for Buying Computer Parts Online, lists about 6 or 7 different sites that Kishore recommends. However, I'm mainly going to be focusing on the first 2 as I'm very familiar with both of them and can see if the pros Kishore listed are the ones I would as well. Now, the first website Kishore listed was Newegg.com. Newegg is actually my favorite site and the main one I'd recommend when it comes to purchasing PC parts. The 3 points he brings up are actually exactly why I'd recommend using Newegg, which is the phenomenal range of products they offer, the daily deals they have on certain brands or products, and their return policy, which is you can return a product for free and get a replacement. The next one listed was Micro Center. Now, Micro Center actually does have brick and mortar stores, there are just very few now. I visited one before in Dallas and actually really loved the experience because I'm a huge dork when it comes to PC and tech stuff. Kishore actually listed this as a perk for people because it really does allow you the chance to go and look at the products you're interested in and make a better decision. Another thing is that they have great deals on CPUs, which is something I've talked about in another video. So it looks like everything Kishore listed is more or less exactly what I would say as well in terms of the benefits of shopping on these sites. So it's a thumbs up for me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye everyone!